Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Really quick one here from Nike. Try this on for size. We have a little bit of a cup and handle pattern here on NKE. You can see how the stock came off the October low, consolidated right around this 128, 130 range, pulled back into the moving averages, found support at the 100 EMA, and now has a little bit of a handle building just above that 50-day moving average. So we have clear support right around that 50-day, potential back test of this consolidation breakout zone, and then we have a little bit of a short base there. So tight range here on NKE the last couple of weeks, and what I want to see from this stock is a breakthrough that 127 level coming on volume. So I think it makes sense to have an alert on NKE just around that 127.40 zone. I'm going to set an alert on my software right there and look for a potential breakout of that area and maybe even a retest of the high from back here at around 131. And so you want to watch and see how this stock holds up around these moving averages. Maybe this is a place where you get a small placeholder position and you're adding with confirmation of higher prices and layering in close to the moving averages, keeping a low cost basis and keeping it on your radar, and then watching for that momentum move up. So that is one level that I'm watching here on Nike. Want to see if this can confirm to the upside. So that's just one of many charts we're watching right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see what else we're doing, be sure and take a trial. Click the link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.